Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the garden with me, Eve. I just cleaned. This was this climbing rose. I just cleaned her, which is I was supposed to trim her. I did trim her because most of it was die, and she really come out really good. But all those branch was coming out supposed to be cutting back, but they so beautiful. Look at how many flowers they going to push out. That's the reason I can't cut her yet. Look at how beautiful is this rose. See? Smell. Very good. What I did, guys, in all my roses, that's how they always giving flowers. I always go and cut them. Cut the whole flowers, and then she's still pushing out beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at this. She was still pushing out some beautiful flowers. Let me see if I can show you guys. I don't think I'm in the mood to be in the garden today. I don't know. I have some bad dream, and when I was checking on my camera ring, there's somebody who was in front of the door, guys. I think when he saw I have those two cameras watching him, and he acting he was talking to someone on the phone. But that really changing my mood for today. I'm gonna go ahead and report him because I didn't like that. Thank you so much, friends, for watching.